Welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto, every day, and a little bit of traditional finance, because retail investors are uniting against big hedge funds, traditional finance, to speak out. We saw this happen yesterday when retail investors went ahead and counter traded big hedge fund and long the market while the traditional hedge fund was short. Absolutely amazing. And today, Robinhood and TD Ameritrade fired back. And we're going to talk about that on today's show and segue it into why you need to opt out of traditional finance, why the federal government is bad, and why you should opt out with Bitcoin. And of course, shitcoins. All day I dream about shitcoins. And I've got some really great picks for you guys as well to help you get rich. Let's get into it. This first story was something that happened on crypto Twitter. So Larry Cermak went ahead and posted, this is the wallet that funded Cuban's Rarible wallet. So we're talking about Mark Cuban here. And if we go ahead and click on this tweet from Mark Cuban, look what I found, the roll-up 2021 collectible on Rarible. These are NFTs, cryptocurrency, digital assets. So what Larry did is he was able to go ahead and pull up his wallet because everything that is utilizing blockchain technology is pretty much transparent and you can go ahead and see it on the public ledger, with the exception of privacy coins. We're not going to get into that today. We're going to talk about what Mark Cuban has in his wallet and a bunch of AAVE. Now that you guys have seen this, let's go ahead and chart AAVE because I actually have bids for AAVE and they didn't get filled because price went up. If you are not in AAVE, I highly suggest you do your own research and you check this out. A lot of people are buying into it. It's got a lot of properties of DeFi. It is a DeFi project and I think it is going to do incredibly well. I'm just pissed that I didn't get in around the $100 mark because now it is getting close to about $300, topping off with a high at about $298. So I was trying to get in here at about $243 to about $224. That didn't happen. We just smashed above $279 resistance and we are in price discovery. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of my drawing tools. We are going to start off fresh with a naked chart because it is always important to do that when we're reanalyzing stuff, looking for a good entry. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pull my fibs and I'm going to draw them how I want to draw them because this is my show and I do what I want. Again, they're symmetric, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so we went ahead and drew from the top here, $300 to the bottom area here at about $23. Again, these are just kind of approximations, are not drawn 100% to scale. So just to show you guys what is going on, MACD still looks bullish. This setup here with the EMAs is absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice. I like it when the short EMAs are stacked and they are above the larger EMAs. It makes for a beautiful setup. Ultimately, I would love to see a correction here to 238. However, I don't think we're going to get it. Fingers crossed, I do have bids set there. Anyways, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, it's showing a little bit of consolidation and we're looking like we're gonna get up and pop again and end up flipping this area here at about $300. If that flips, I would expect 336. If you can, what I would do and what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to 10% market buy with my stack. It's going to be about a $2,000 position, probably 10% market buy right away because I'm starting to feel that FOMO, and I will readjust my bids to 266, 238, 205, and right over here at the EMA 200, 165. I doubt I'll get it, but I have to practice risk management. I cannot just FOMO into this stuff. Anyways, I know you guys are probably saying, Wendy, what about all-time high? What about all-time high? Or how high can it go in 2021? Well, I am not a psychic and no one can tell you where the market is going, even if they are a psychic. However, I do think AAVE will do very, very well, and we probably could see $573 for a conservative target for all-time high in 2021, considering that Mark Cuban holds some. Because I know for a fact he's going to tell his rich buddies, this is what I have and this is why I have it, and they don't want to miss out. They want to make money. This next story is stupidly bullish news for Ethereum, like absolutely insane news. And I know a lot of people on my TikTok were like, oh my God, Wendy, price didn't pump. Guess what, guys? This news between Reddit and the Ethereum Foundation, the partnership, is going to be huge long term. You can't expect massive pumps right away, especially when Bitcoin is correcting, because it was correcting yesterday. But let's talk about this insane partnership. Reddit has teamed up with the Ethereum Foundation to establish Reddit's first blockchain partnership, the first blockchain partnership. And this makes sense because they have a community point system, and we're going to get into that. So Reddit has 50 million daily users and hundreds and thousands of niche communities. They've got communities for cats, for dogs, for cryptocurrency, for mothers like myself, all that stuff. And Reddit is essentially a DEX platform. Kind of, sort of. They're open source, all of that jazz. And the partnership is going to be a commitment to blockchain technology. And again, this is from the post here. Accelerating scaling, huge issue with scaling in Ethereum, and resources for the Ethereum ecosystem, bringing value and independence of blockchain technology to millions of Redditors, which I'm here for. The people need the power back. Let's get rid of this censorship. So they stated, our intention is to help accelerate the progress being made on scaling and development, or develop to technology needed to launch large-scale applications like community points. You're going to be able to eventually tip with Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies on Reddit. I know a lot of people had speculated this in the past, but it is happening. It is going to happen. So it's going to bring the scaling and technology needed to launch large-scale applications like community points on Ethereum. The scaling technology developed through this partnership will be open source and publicly available for anyone to use. Let's talk about Ethereum price now. So this is my Ethereum chart, and I am using Market Cipher. Things are looking actually really, really bullish for Ethereum. We've got our moving averages here that are really bullish, pointing upward. Looks fantastic. Taking a look at the oscillators here, this yellow line has got this nice upward tick, so it is looking good. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of confluence yet with this green area, but with this blue peak, it's starting to get a nice upward tick, and these little oscillators are doing the same as well, these little lines. Now let's go ahead and get rid of Market Cipher. I want to kind of look at this naked chart and see what is going on. As you guys know, Ethereum kissed all-time high, and then we had a correction, which that makes sense. Essentially, we are in an uptrend, and this is actually beautiful price action. And realistically, unless we break below $1,154, we are going to continue to climb up. And this consolidation in this range between $1,365 and $1,207 is astounding. It's good news. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour is ready to rocket. We're ready to flip this area of 1369 into support and then test 1474. Is that going to happen today? You have to stay tuned and see, but let's kind of go ahead and talk about traditional stocks and how that ties into Bitcoin. And I've got a Bitcoin chart and a Dogecoin chart for you. Either way, guys, be very, very safe. If you're not an avid trader, buy the dips, dollar cost average with Ethereum, because the partnership with Reddit is going to be huge for Ethereum long term. And Ethereum, I believe, will hit minimum $3,000 in 2021. All right, babes. Robinhood and TD Ameritrade are not supporting some of these stocks that Wall Street Bets was playing with yesterday. This is censorship, this is wrong, and it's very, very upsetting. So Robinhood took down GME, AMC, BBBY, and NOK. So you can no longer trade on that app, which is very, very frustrating because everybody wants a piece of the pie. We have been shut down. Small businesses are closed. People are not getting money. And the fact that folks are trying to figure out and become entrepreneurs on how to make money, how to feed their family, how to pay their bills, even make extra passive income, and they can't because these hedge suit Fs are pissed off. This is wrong, very, very wrong, and it is upsetting. Me personally, opt out and buy Bitcoin. You guys want to play with these stocks, that's fine, but me personally, I would rather invest in Bitcoin because longevity for Bitcoin is a hedge against traditional finance. It's a hedge against the Fed. It's a hedge against oppression, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not interested in trading any of these just because of the volatility. Well, not even because of the volatility, just because I'm a crypto account and I prefer crypto because that's my get down. I know what I'm talking about, but if you're interested, you can actually trade these on FTX. I've got a ref link down below. You're more than welcome to use it. If you don't want to use it, I don't care. That's fine. But FTX went ahead and tokenized stocks. And you can also get 15% off fees with WSB15. 100% of the fees will be donated to the Barstool Fund. So not only are you able to trade on FTX, but they're going to be giving back to the community. And FTX, you can trade 24/7, 365. Sam is amazing. Absolutely adore him. Check this out if this is something you are interested in. Of course, be very cautious because it is a margin trading platform and you can use leverage. All right, folks, this is our Bitcoin chart. This is the 4-hour chart, and it looks like we created a bottom here at $30,308. The swing low here was about $29,000. That's fine, because if you take a look at the daily chart, it's done a pretty decent job of respecting my levels. And let's say you were in a long position and you had your stop down here at about $28,000, you would have been fine. Either way, more consolidation is going to be requested in this range. Pray to Satoshi that we get it. It would be really nice because alts will continue to pop off, and I'm hoping that more people that are investing in this traditional finance stuff is going to come over to crypto and see the value here, especially with DeFi projects. So taking a look at the daily chart, it's looking like we're showing a little bit of momentum here. Just everything is starting to curl up again. I really don't see us dropping below $29,000 on our 4-hour chart here. 4-hour chart is showing some nice upward movement. If we keep moving, we're going to go ahead and retest 32.5 and then retest 34.1. Bullish scenario would be for us to go ahead and flip 34.1. Bearish scenario would be to break below 31, break below 29, and then get into this area here between 27.8 and 24.5. Either way, while Bitcoin is consolidating, this is going to be good for the market. However, if we start to drop again, it's going to impact alts. That's always what happens. I'm not in any position with Bitcoin. I'm currently playing around with alts because there's more upside for me. Just kind of vibing, swing trading, investing, enjoying myself. But let's now talk about Dogecoin, because Dogecoin freaking pumped. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it pumped on the 4-hour chart. It also pumped on the daily chart as well with this beautiful green candle here for about 150% pump from 24 sats to 59 Satoshis. Let's go ahead and zoom out with Dogecoin to kind of see what is going on. So Dogecoin has these cycles, which is absolutely amazing. And realistically, I want to go ahead and start taking profit here at about 67 Satoshis, over here at 84, and about 101 to 112. So Dogecoin has these cycles. I'm hoping that we get another massive pump and we continue to climb up. However, do be very, very cautious because Dogecoin has these massive upside and massive downside. It is very easy to play and you can make a lot of money trading it. Just be very, very careful and make sure to take your profits. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. That helps support me and the channel and beats that algorithm. Good luck, you guys. I hope you make money. I wish you the most success. Bye-bye.